the last couple days we've had some good rides, and Jose, thank you for these little tours up into the God forbidden back roads of lower New York State. Very nice rides. Anyway, today might be a little different. We don't know. We're going to meet some of the guys, and we just let the day evolve, and that's kind of the way we like it. Anyway, she's been a good girl the last couple days. I've enjoyed the rides, and anytime you can get one of these bikes that's more than 25 years old to run the whole day without giving you fits, you're the winner. Anyway, time to get ready. That coffee is brewing already. Looks like yet another beautiful summer day. We've had some warm weather. Supposed to be thunder showers later today, but we'll take whatever we get today. Come on, boys, time for breakfast. Time for breakfast. If you want to be a fish, you got to eat. Well, it looks just like a great day ahead of us. Wow, what weather we've hit. The last week or so has been beautiful. He's got a lot of money. He's going to buy us all lunch. He sold another bike. Hey! All right, the gang's all here. We know you got money. Did the guy pay you cash? He's going to fall off the bike. Look at this. Help this old man, will you? Holy God. This is the bike that we're going to try to put SWAT bars on. See, he wants higher handlebars. And I put a video out earlier this week about doing a SWAT bar. I know they'll fit. They may hit there, who knows.
My body hit the windshield.
That's a nice clean R1.
Yeah, it is. I got on the
so which one did you sell?
Protector.
Which one did you sell?
It's a 1991 CB750.
Oh, the 750, okay.
Yeah. The guys supposed to cost money for the other Honda, you never call.
Yeah, I know, yeah.
It's the people for Craigslist.
For the tires, the rims. So this way, she'll have them for the night.
You going to a Ducati?
Yeah. Motorcycle mall, I got a great deal on it. Bought it and a great service.
So it looks like we're going to have a nice group today. We'll try to share the ride with you and see where it all works out.
Great job, I mean,
This is no good.
world famous berries. Everybody's coming in for breakfast. We got a sweet ride up here. An unusual bike. A Durso Duro. I wonder what that means in Mexican or in Spanish. That's the same thing. Probably means I eat tacos and pizza at the same time or something. Close call though, but I was hoping you weren't going to crash in a ditch or something.
No, I was ready. I could handle it. I just didn't want to.
Oh, okay.
It's like.
So Luciano, how much money did you give for the bike? Let's. We're all hungry and thirsty.
Are you going to eat there? Because he's going to close up on Sunday, tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow. I hope it doesn't rain.
And then, if you swing by Northern Valley High School, I'm in a car show with my brother's Cobra and everything. We're over there at Northern Valley.
Yeah, that's right by my house. Every yeah, right. Every Saturday night.
Better than this.
I have to say, I like that kid.
Oh yeah.
I was going with the Mazda.
Oh yeah, I got the same thing.
With the Mazda.
Dale, look, see.
Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey, hey. Wow, look at that Moto Guzzi. Moto Guzzi. Wow.
Have I got a deal for him?
Have you got a deal for him? Wow. The stunt show is at the other place. Did you give Jose his riding lesson this week?
What a nice bike.
Oh, you want to ride it? It looks
How
nice.
come you don't ride a Ducati or Moto Guzzi? You know better?
You know, I only rode with you the one time.
Moto Guzzi
Yeah.
when you used to
Oh, you had a real Moto Guzzi.
clack, 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 clack.
You
I
had
only
an
rode it one
agricultural
time.
You
Moto
remember?
Guzzi.
You were giving Jose riding lessons and he was not doing so well.
No, it wasn't bigger.
That goes.
So Dale is going to buy me a nice Kawasaki shirt. Look at this.
No,
Hey, if Tim sees that, he's going to
No,
be
this
jealous.
is old. This is about 10
That's
years
a
old.
nice
Yeah, but you don't
shirt.
wear it.
Look at the sign, the Healthy Deli. Do you think this is where Luciano and I eat all the time? You should see the good food he brings to track day. Woo! This is terrible. Jim gave up his RD for a 4-stroke. Hey! There goes
I
Vlad.
keep saying that, but I do own it. Actually,
That's a nice clean SV. I'm sure Jose
a
approves.
90-degree twin.
Yeah, it's like a little Ducati. So we had a great time here. We're gonna head up to the mountain, see if anybody's up the mountain. So here on Perkins we have the usual suspects. Here hiding in witness protection for the crimes against humanity.
It was redone, you know? It was beautiful. Then, the...
What a clear, beautiful day this turned out to be. Cool as a cucumber up here on top of the mountain.
Back then it wasn't.
TR 250, that was a square one.
Just like a
It wasn't, yeah, well, it was a road, but it
What was
wasn't
the difference?
designated as part of the highway.
Yeah. Okay.
And high banks.
Trophy. We didn't have that, but I remember.
So I'm home. What do we have? Coffee? How about iced coffee today? Now that's why I love Karen. A big cup of iced coffee. And then we have some stuff to do for the kids this afternoon. But boy, this bike is just running like a Rolex watch. So I hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching.